Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and as you can see in the background, there's lots of citrus awesomeness, and that's because we're talking about the benefits, uses, ingredients, and price of the doTERRA Citrus Bliss 15 ml, which is roughly 250 drops, as well as the Young Living Citrus Fresh, and then the Melaleuca Vitalize. And so the benefits of the Citrus Bliss are that it cleanses and purifies the air, helps reduce stress, and uplifts your mood. The benefits of the Citrus Fresh are that it purifies the air of unwanted aromas and promotes feelings of happiness. And the benefits of Vitalize are that it has a refreshing and uplifting aroma and has natural cleansing properties as well. The uses are twofold with the Citrus Bliss, so you can diffuse aromatically in the petal diffuser as well as the aroma light diffuser or the Lumo diffuser. You can apply 1 to 2 drops behind your ears or under your wrists as well. And then the uses for the Citrus Fresh are twofold. You can diffuse or inhale from your hands after you put a couple drops in them, rub them together, and then breathe it in. And then you can add 1 to 2 drops onto dryer balls or dilute with carrier oil for a nice massage. And so as you can see a pattern with the uses, they kind of are interchangeable within the brands because there's basically just two, which is aromatic and topical. And then the uses for Melaleucas Vitalize are you can use in a diffuser or apply 1 to 2 drops to your reflex points on the bottoms of your feet or with a carrier oil and breathe in from your hands. And then the ingredients of the Citrus Bliss are wild orange, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, bergamot, tangerine, clementine, and vanilla bean absolute. And it has a very kind of like a orange creamsicle type of smell, which is really good for providing that elevated bliss feeling and mood. And then the ingredients of Citrus Fresh are orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin, and spearmint. And so as you can see with doTERRA, they kind of kept it all pretty much citrus oils with the exception of vanilla. And then they added a little bit of, mintiness with the Citrus Fresh. And then finally, the Vitalize ingredients are orange, grapefruit, tangerine, lemon, spearmint, and mandarin. And so those are, some similarities with orange being the first ingredients of the Vitalize and Citrus Fresh, but not having as many ingredients as doTERRA. And then when it comes to pricing, doTERRA Citrus Bliss is $20 retail for that 15 milliliter bottle or $15 wholesale. And I have other videos that cover the difference between retail and wholesale and also the different kit options too, and I'll have more information in the link in the description below of this video. And then the price for the Citrus Fresh is $20.72 retail or $15.75 wholesale, so you can see that it's just a little bit more than doTERRA's. And then finally, the Melaleuca Vitalize is $20 for a regular member, which is similar to the retail of the other companies. And then it's $10.50 for preferred, and there is some other additional stuff you need to do in order to qualify for that price, but I do have some videos that show exactly what that is and the links in the description below so you can check those out. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly check out those links for the other videos as well as playlists in my description area, and I'll see you in the next video.